Barça fans, we're back after a short break, and wow, the transformation at Camp Nou is jaw-dropping. Corners that were bare just days ago now look almost finished. New railings and stairs are in, and the arrival of those long-awaited facade supports has fans buzzing. But is all this progress enough to meet the September reopening? Let's break it down. Starting up on the lateral terrace, the views are stunning. Those three massive cantilevers already look like the renderings we've seen, and the corners are advancing fast. Freshly concreted stairs and new safety railings make the whole area look ready for fans. Even New Jersey barriers are in place, giving this section a much more finished look. After just 10 days away, the transformation is striking. Down in the parking zone, progress is impossible to miss. Dozens of concrete pillars are in, formwork panels are set, and rebar is being tied for the next slabs. Floor panels cover wide stretches now, with polishing machines working non-stop. This area, once lagging behind, is finally catching up and shaping into a backbone for stadium access. It's clear the crews have been pushing hard here. Moving over to the south goal, the big change is glass. Entire sections are now covered, giving this area a modern finish. Braces have also been added across the zone, making it feel more complete. LED lights are visible inside, stairs have all their railings, and the street lamps outside are already installed. Even in the rain, crews pressed ahead, pushing this section closer to readiness. Up at the north goal, things are slower, but there's still movement. This section is set to open last, so the urgency isn't the same. Still, we can see concrete pumps at work on staircases, new fences, and the diamond-shaped structure now fully concreted. A major milestone. The northern zone may be behind, but it's catching up step by step, and once finished, it will complete the stadium's circle. The Tribune area is buzzing. Workers have installed countless railings, polished staircases, and poured fresh layers of concrete. Glass panels are going in quickly, and the big surprise, an elevator is now installed. This is a huge leap for accessibility. The VIP rings above are also advancing, with prefabricated seating pieces being set. This zone feels nearly ready for fans, a sign the partial reopening is within reach. So, what's the takeaway this week? Corners are transforming with finished stairs and railings. Parking areas are catching up fast. The south goal shines with new glass. And the Tribune surprises us with its first elevator. Add to that the delivery of facade supports, the iconic lamas. And we're heading into a visually striking phase. With just weeks until September, every detail counts, and momentum feels strong. If you enjoyed this update, hit like and subscribe to GOAT Sports'. We'll be here every week, covering every beam, seat, and surprise as Camp Nou races toward reopening. Don't miss the next one. It's only getting better.